Ka Central Jail Shillong ringkat bakiwe ki jail hakeleng ka ri menta kasngi ka arkway terik ulaber ka Plie pajba ka program Parivartan Indian Oil Prison to Pride ka program la Plie lat iki Koidi Pynrung ki Jing Ialehkai sports. Yakini ka program la Plie do Shri Khan Madhav Vaidya u chairman jang ka Indian Oil ha ka Jing don ringkat ba Shri M Prokram IPS Inspector General of Prison jang ka jela ling ba ka ni ka program dan ailat ben penmlian iki Koidi shaki kam Ialehkai sports kum ka basketball, badminton, carom board, volleyball pat ki wei
आज भारत के विभिन्न राज्यों के शहर वॉलीबॉल बास्केटबॉल बैडमिंटन कैरम और शतरंज जैसे खेलों का देगी प्रशिक्षण आजादी आपको अधिकार देती है और यदि उन अधिकारों का उपयोग अनुशासन से किया जाए तो वो आपको
Like last one and a half years, we have started this prison reforms, and if you remember, the first thing we did was changing the nomenclature of the prisons department from prisons department to prisons and correctional services, because everything starts from nomenclature. And after that, we have been having a lot of other initiatives, for example, like starting the skill development, skilling of the inmates inside, so that later on when they come out from the prison walls, they'll be employed and maybe earn for themselves a livelihood. And this is a program which has been initiated by Indian Oil, and they have partnered together with a lot of prisons throughout the country, and they have also chosen Meghalaya prisons also. So this, we are launching it here today, and this will be taken up with the other prisons also. So we will be see that this will be carried forward to the other prisons also. And right now, as far as I know, they will be starting with coaching of carom board and volleyball. But we have left it to the inmates themselves, because the thing is, we really don't want to insist on them, and we want to make it as a choice. I mean, if any one of them wants to be coach in these the sports activities, we will take them in. And right now, probably we are looking at around about 70 to 75 of them at the first phase. So this will continue for about a month or so, and we would like to request IOC also, in case after that also, if more of the inmates also are willing to be trained, then please carry forward.